Hey guys, today we are playing power wash game thingy legit. Haha, I have a better weapon. I have a big gun. Oh, this does like nothing. Bro, I feel like that other thing was oh no, this is way better. Die. Haha, I'm making more money. I just made sorry, I'm trying to like get these like notifications off of my thing. Ooh, oh, that's cool. Wait, this is still going. Okay, now. Get out of the line.
James, I can go to the next level.
Well, you can go to the next level. Get away from my van.
Okay.
My van.
At least it's a better level than yours. Haha.
So,
James,
and
also,
if you subscribe, you will, your mom will be so happy in you. She will make you a cookie.
Hey, also, he doesn't have an editor anymore.
Oh, I am my own editor. Sorry. Oh, yeah, I don't have an editor anymore. Daddy is not my editor anymore. I told him.
He quit it.
No, he did not. He did not.
He basically did.
No. I told him he No, I told him he doesn't have to edit the videos anymore. Because I'm starting to edit my own videos now.
Why? Because you are getting killed?
Can someone please get me to 20 subscribers?
Yeah.
That's all I'm begging for. If I get 5 likes on this video, I will make another video about this. As long as
Next video is gonna say you need 50 subscribers.
No, 10.
10. Or more.
No.
Why?
I don't need to pressure them. I think the only people who are subscribed to me is my family. Look how sad he looks.
Hey, you know you can dab with your gun?
Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'm gonna drown for y'all.
You can dab with your gun. With your water gun. You can dab.
Bye. Bye. If you don't subscribe, I will shoot you with this gun. If I can get it to point at you.
Hey.
Okay, I can't. Bye. And if you like and subscribe, I will give your grandma a cookie and fix her back.